Welcome to my first ever IRL stream. It's gonna be a quick one because I don't have a lot of time. I have some stuff tonight and it's already getting kind of late, so 1 second, let me pull this up real quick. How do I see my stream? There we go. Okay, so every day I drive on this road. Every day I gotta turn this volume down. Crap. Hey, this is my second ever live stream. There's gonna be mistakes made, so you live and you learn. But what I was saying is every day I drive on this road to go to work and I see this abandoned train cart just sitting on the side of the road in the trees. It looks like a caboose or something, and I'm infinitely curious if I can get inside of it. So we're gonna go on a little walk through this kind of like park tree area and see if it's just unlocked, see if it's open, see if we can go inside of it. And if not, then, you know, that'll suck. But yeah, first ever IRL stream, exploring this train car. I hope we can get inside of it. It's gonna be real quick, but yeah, let's go, let's get it. And also, I want to just see if my hotspot will actually run a smooth stream, so that's also what this is for. Looks like we can play frisbee golf here. We gotta come do that sometime. Sorry if it's a little bit windy. It's kind of been bad weather the past couple days, and so if the wind is blowing on the mic, that sucks, but there's nothing we can do about it. Nothing we can do about it. I really need to get a tripod for my camera so I can film stuff. I'm gonna do a backflip. Let's go. Yeah, I saw that log. I was like, I gotta full send that. Whew. Let's go. Okay, I think it's over here somewhere. So we can either cross this bridge or we can cross the bridge over here. I think I'm gonna go for this one. And yeah, hopefully there's a pathway to actually get to this train cart from here. But we're about to find out. Hopefully I'm allowed to be doing this. I'm pretty sure I am. I think this is a public area. Like, I don't know if it's a public park or a public frisbee golf, whatever, course. But yeah. The only thing that kind of worries me is like, I think there's a military base or something right here, so I need to be careful not to get in the way of anything important. I think this trail should take us to it. Actually, I can kind of see it through there. So yeah, it's just literally right here. I mean, it's more or less the middle of nowhere, but not really. There's a road just like right there, but yeah, I'm really interested to see if I can get inside of here. This is wild. This is it. I think I feel like everyone on the road is like watching what I'm doing. So I don't want to do anything suspicious. I just want to look around. What? This is it. The window is open. The window's open. What? Yo. Can we go inside of here? I think the door's locked. What? There's no window. That's what the inside looks like. Yo, this is crazy, dog. Look at this thing. It looks like someone's broken out most of the windows. Sheesh. That window's open too. I wonder if this door will let us in. Oh. No way. No. Oh man. I thought we could get in. It doesn't look like we'll be able to. It's still locked shut. Dang. Oh, for a second there, when I saw that latch, I was like, we might actually be able to get in here and walk around. But I don't think we can unless... Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Should I go through the window? I don't know. I wonder if people like live in here. Like, do you think homeless people just camp out in here? I would if I was homeless. I would so camp out in here. Oh man. I really want to check out the inside. Are there any signs or anything that... Okay, this is what I'm looking at here. I don't know what it means. I don't think that has anything to do with that. Huh. I want to get in. I want to get in. It's kind of cold out here. I'm freezing my butt off. I need a ladder or something. I just don't know how I'm gonna climb through that with my camera. How would fit? Should we attempt it? Oh man. This is crazy, dude. Look at this. That's crazy. How do I get in? There's this smaller window here that has a bar. But there's just 2 doors in there. Like, who knows what's behind those doors? Who knows what this is for? It's on a train track. Look at this. It's pretty wild. Okay. I think we... I wonder what's up there. I really want to check out the inside. Here, I'll lift you up. The problem is, the opening is like taller than I am, and I've got my phone strapped to my wrist. I'm holding a camera, like my GoPro, so it's like I don't know how I'm going to get up there with my camera without breaking anything, and also I don't want to trespass, so that might be the end of our fun here. Sadly, we can't actually, you know, get inside of this thing. I mean, maybe we could, maybe we make it into a YouTube video. You know, maybe I do a YouTube video where I live inside of a abandoned train for however long, you know, 24 hours or something. Hey, it's not a bad idea. If you guys want to see a video where I live inside of that, maybe I'll come back and bring a little ladder, stool, and hop inside and, you know, see if it'd be possible to live in. But who knows? Maybe someone's already living in there. Someone could honestly already be living in there, which I would feel bad if I'm just like posted up inside someone's, you know, abandoned train cart that they've claimed. They just come home and they're like, who's this dude? But how are we doing on time here? Yo, someone's watching. Alex and Dirk. Bro, what is up, dog? You're like my first ever viewer on here, bro. You're a legend. My YouTube channel is Void Earth. Dude, are you still watching? Bro, straight up, this is my second ever stream. You're my first viewer. That's wild, dog. It's crazy. Yeah, I also started my YouTube channel like a few months ago, but it's just Void Earth. Bro, thank you so much for the follow, dude. Oh my gosh, this is so surreal, bro. Oh my gosh. Dude, I'm freaking out. This is crazy. Thank you so much. Yeah, you are the OG, bro. Dude. The Alex Dirk, bro. Thank you so much. That's crazy. Well, legend. Anyways, I'm probably gonna head back, but this is kind of sick here. I'll show you this before I wrap it up. So, if you weren't here earlier, I was saying there's a military base here. There's also an airport, and they've got a freaking tank out here and a model of an air force fight, an air, whatever. Holy cow, what are these called? This. It's like a World War II jet or something. Like, bro, check this out. This is crazy, dog. And then the tank is over here. I wonder if I can get inside of this tank. This is it. I don't know if it's a real tank or if it's just a replica tank. Dude, this is kind of sick. There's a latch up there. I don't know if I'm allowed to climb on it. That's so sick. Anyway, good stuff. Yeah, no kidding, dog. It is real? Is it a real World War II? That would be crazy. Like, okay, who just has a World War II tank sitting out in front of the, like, it's just sitting next to the road, like, what the heck? It's crazy. Yeah, so we've got tank, airplane, and abandoned train just like in the same freaking area. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, the military's got all sorts of crazy stuff flying around, huh? Dude, that's crazy. That's a real tank, bro. I would not have known. But yeah, I've driven by here a few times and I was like, I've got to go check that out, but I just haven't gotten around to it. So, oh, it is freezing cold out there, dude. Well, sorry it was a short stream, but I have some other stuff I gotta do tonight. I just wanted to show up, you know, every day if I can, just to get started on this stuff. But dude, thank you so much for tuning into the stream, bro. You're my first viewer. I'll definitely definitely remember you, bro. Means a lot. Like, that's wild. So I'll see you around, bro. Go check out my YouTube channel, Void Earth. Yeah, I put most of my time and effort into that channel, so yeah, hopefully you like that content. This is kind of just a side gig, so yeah, you too. Thanks so much, bro. I'll see you around.